called the Red City, the Rose City. Multiple nicknames were given to the city where we are today, but none of them can fairly describe its beauty. Today, we are in Marrakesh. During our Marrakesh visit, we stayed in a riad, which is the name given to the traditional Moroccan mansions with indoor courtyard. Some of them were converted to hotels or guest houses, which offers visitors an authentic Moroccan experience. Marrakesh has the largest traditional markets in Morocco, and they are famous worldwide as some of the most exotic marketplaces to shop in the world. The red walls of the city, built in the early 12th century, as well as the various buildings constructed in red sandstone afterwards, have given the city the nickname of the Red City. Currently, we are in Badi Palace, which is most often translated to the Palace of Wonder. It was built by Sultan Ahmed al-Mansur in the 16th century. So in this tour, I invite you to imagine with me how this palace looked in the past. The palace is centered around a huge courtyard with 4 enormous gardens arranged symmetrically around a central pool, similar to a riad garden but on a larger scale, as well as 4 other water basins along the 2 sides of the courtyard. Badi Palace has multiple exhibition spaces that offer lots of information. Visitors will find information about the history of the palace and Marrakesh, which is linked to the city of Ahmed, as well as some of the personalities that marked the history of this city. When you visit Badi Palace, make sure not to miss this underground section, as well as the minbar of the Qutbiyya Mosque, the construction of which started in 1137 in Cordoba, and is estimated to have taken 7 years before it was shipped in pieces and reassembled in Marrakesh. Taking pictures of the Qutbiyya minbar is not allowed to avoid any damage to this masterpiece. Badi Palace was decorated with materials brought from many countries, and a reception palace where Sultan Ahmed al-Mansur hosted and received guests. The palace fell into ruin with the decline of the Saadian dynasty.
Badi Palace shows the splendor of the Saadi dynasty and was built based on two styles, Moroccan and European.
Badi Palace is an important part of Marrakech's history and the symbol of the city's past. The palace walls that stand bare today were covered with expensive materials and elaborate decoration. The floors were paved with marble and zellige, which is a style of mosaic tile work made from individually hand-chiseled tile pieces of different colors and fitted together to form multiple patterns. The Saadian craftsmen came up with more complex geometric patterns than those of previous periods, including examples of 20-pointed stars. An underground hydraulic infrastructure of vaults and channels was created for the multiple gardens and pools that featured fountains with jets of water. Our tour is about to end, but before leaving, we will go up to admire a rooftop view over Badi Palace. There is so much to see in Marrakech and the surrounding region, which we will cover in future videos. Don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you are notified whenever new videos are released. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video for today. Until next time with more to see in Morocco. Bye bye!